In this video, I want to talk about the importance of removing the negativity from your life, and then specifically from your building your new Taboola Adsense businesses. Now, what you got to understand about the negative state is that it's very effective at making you make the wrong decisions. Think about someone who gets into a certain state that's not positive and think about their actions. They cannot create success. And one of the biggest secrets to creating success, especially in your Taboola Adsense business, is to not focus on the negativity and to only focus on the outcomes that feel good and the results you desire to create. So for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below and I'll be happy to help you create your successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. Now those outcomes are passive income. Set up the campaign once. It's an asset. You can sell the asset. That's another thing I advise my clients to do. How they can 10x and get a 10x return on their websites in 6 months and actually get a huge lump sum from their websites that they set up. It's 3x our return on investment, 2x return on investment on these campaigns. This is the type of things you're going to focus on. It's easy and simple to set up once you understand the system. It's a 3-step process, basically, from the campaigns to the funnel to the campaign optimization and launching, that is very specific. As you can see here, you have a CPC, you have the spend, you have the bid, and then you'll have the campaign and the ad, then it goes to a website. And that's it. Once you set them up effectively, that's passive, that's profitability, and that's consistency. And these are the things you have to focus on. And then you focus on what you're going to use the money for. I used it, and I use it to travel the world. You might use it to replace your income or replace your job. You might use it to for a savings account. You might use it to travel as well, the world. So you overload it with so much benefits before you start. You might just want to create your first successful business online. You might want to create your first successful paid business online. You might want to use this as the springboard to build your own online empire. You might want to see yourself running these campaigns on multiple channels and not just doing a few thousands a month, but doing a lot more. So whatever your outcomes are, you have to overload them. But, and it's a big but, if there's any negativity at all, it can basically override every single outcome you set. So you launch a campaign, you check your stats, you spent $5 and you made back $2. A successful person goes like this: thank you for the profitable campaign, and thinks about the solutions. Let me lower the CPC, for example. They lower the CPC, and next thing you know, the campaign is super profitable. An unsuccessful person who hasn't overloaded the benefits, hasn't seen the vision and the outcomes, says this campaign is not working, which makes them feel bad, which makes them then take action in that state, which then they create the results they don't want to do. So they might increase the budget. Why are you increasing the budget if the campaign's not working? They might leave the campaign and hope it's going to work the next day. Why are you going to do that? That's not successful. You have to know it's going to work the next day. You have to have data, proof. So it takes them out of the success state, any sort of negativity. This is why it seems so hard. This is why it appears so hard. It's an illusion. Basically, you just being negative about the outcome. And because of that, you can't see the solution. And because of that, you apply the wrong steps. Whereas if you are grateful and you maintain the feeling good state, you can seek or know the solution. So what I mean by that is if you either know it already, like lowering the CPC or changing the ad, or you can seek the answer from someone who knows, an expert at Taboola. That way, you're going to get the solution. And then you're able to apply that solution to make the campaign profitable. If I'm honest with you, almost no campaign is profitable straight away unless you hit a super campaign. Most of the time, you have to apply specific things like lowering the CPC to make that campaign profitable. So obviously that campaign was always profitable. It was just a matter of seeing it being profitable and making the right changes. So are you starting to understand the importance of the mindset in this game? The importance of having a successful mindset, the importance of feeling good, the importance of overloading the outcomes, the importance of having no negativity. It speeds up your success by 100%. Sorry, by the tenfold. So for those of you who are interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below, and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. Now, this is some of the stuff we touch on. As I said, I'm really considering releasing a mindset course because it's so vital. But I add that on, obviously, with my clients because it's too important not to do with them, especially if I notice it's necessary. Because some clients are just happy, positive, some clients are not. So the ones that are not, you do some mentoring with the mindset to help them speed up, and the ones that are, obviously, it's fine. That's why they invested. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below, and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. So in summary, don't focus on the negative. Overload the outcomes. Passive income, 2x turns, done once, travel the world, first successful business. Overload it, feel great, then act in that state. This is why you should also meditate as well. I meditate a lot to maintain a feeling good state, so I can see what I need to see to create results. I need to create results so I can focus my day on the areas I want to focus on that feel good, so I can get more good. There's a saying that says the reward of good is good. This is Islamic saying, something that I follow. The reward of good is good. You know, when you give out good, you get back good. So you have to live in that energy, and one of the ways of doing that is removing the negativity and focusing on the outcomes that feel good. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.